Scheduling a work order master. 1. Locate the work order master you just created from the Record Navigator and select it. 2. Select the plus sign on the left of the record. 3. Select the new icon. 4. Choose the cycle type for the work order: daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly or runtime. 5. Enter the schedule initiation date. This date basically turns on the work order. 6. Enter the frequency of the work order. Example, every 3 days, every 2 weeks, every 1 year, etc. 7. Choose on which day the work order should occur for the weekly, monthly, and yearly schedules. 8. Choose when the work order is due. Example, how many days it should take to complete. 9. Select the Save icon. Note: the daily schedule has an option of a schedule on completion so that the work order won't generate again until the previous one is completed.